Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use conditional formatting in Google Sheets step by step. Conditional formatting allows you to automatically format cells based on specific rules, making it easier to analyze and visualize your data. So let's get started. First, open your Google Sheets file in your browser. Next, select the cells or range of data where you want to apply conditional formatting. Once you've selected your data, go to the top menu and click on Format. From the drop-down menu, select Conditional Formatting. A Conditional Format Rules panel will appear on the right side of the screen. Under the Apply to Range section, make sure the correct cell range is selected. Next, under Format Rules, click the drop-down menu. Here, you can choose from a variety of conditions such as text contains, greater than, less than, date is, or many other options depending on your needs. After selecting a rule, enter the required value or criteria. For example, if you choose greater than, type the number you want to use as the condition. Now, choose how you want matching cells to appear. You can change the text style, text color, fill color, or apply one of the preset formatting styles. Once you've configured your rule and selected a formatting style, click Done. Google Sheets will immediately apply the formatting to any cells that meet the specified condition. You can add more rules by clicking Add another rule in the Conditional Formatting panel. If you want to edit or remove a rule later, simply open the Conditional Formatting panel again and make your changes. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to use conditional formatting in Google Sheets. Thanks for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Google Sheets tips and productivity tutorials. See you in the next one.